That's right, bitch. Whoops. What's up, guys? What's going on? Yo, VWAP Trader. What's up, Ian? Nasty Nate. Spy Cause. Damn, man. You guys on beast mode. What's up, Mass Appeal? How's everybody doing today? Let's see. We got the Netflix ER that just came out. Everybody is hype. Squid Game. What a fucking beast. Let's see. EPS earnings per share is $3.19. Beat estimate of 256. Sales is 7.48 billion as opposed to 7.48 estimate. So they hit that. I mean, I don't know what else Netflix can say here. Like, please, just give us that stock split. That's all I can ask for, man. Yo, what's up, Fiat World? CG2K, what's going on? Let's see. So compared to last year, this is a 83% increase in earnings per share. And in terms of sales, this is a 16% increase compared to last year. What was the stock trading at last year? Around 530s, 485 to 530s. Pretty big increase compared to last year based on the rate that's going. See what else they said. Netflix says they added 4.4 million additional subscribers, I guess. Q4 sales. What the hell? Netflix sees Q4 sales as 7.7 billion as opposed 7.71 as opposed to 7.68. However, they think the earnings per share is going to be weaker at 80 cents as opposed to $1.10. Sus. That means they're expecting a weaker. I guess maybe them buying the game studio is gonna affect them a little bit. Interactive Broker also came out as well. Let's dig further into this. Let's see. Man, I just want to see them say stock split. Like, please, Netflix, just bless us with that stock split, man. I got them 740 calls waiting for the stock split. Where is it? Massive rug pull, Sean says. After a lighter than normal content slate in Q1, Q2 due to COVID-related production delays in 2020, we're seeing the positive effect of a stronger slate in the second half of the year. In Q3, we grew revenue 16% year over year to 7.5 billion, while operating income rose 33% versus the prior year quarter to 1.8 billion. We added 4.4 million net pay, subscribers, versus 2.2 in Q3 of 2020. So they apparently were able to double the count there. That's a huge increase. 4.4 mil as opposed to 2.2, right? To end with 214 million pay memberships. We're very excited to finish the year with what we expect to be our strongest Q4 content offering yet, which shows up as the bigger content expense and lower operating margin. So they said Q4 is going to be amazing and it's going to be like their best like contents yet, but it's going to hit their margins. So year over year growth. So Q4 year over year growth forecast is going to be a little bit weaker, looking at 16%. As you can see, like this is actually a little bit bearish here because you can see the year over year percentage growth getting weaker and weaker as the quarter go on. So last year Q3 was at 22%, Q4 was at 21%, Q1 of 2021 was 24%, and then Q2 of 2021 was 19%, with Q3 hitting only 16.3% in terms of revenue growth, and Q4 hitting 16.1%. So that's a declining trend though. So that's like that's a little bit bearish in a way because it's going downhill. But at the same time, these COVID quarters are very hard to compare it to because those are the best of the best times. Like everybody is home, and what else they had to do but watch Netflix, right? Let me see what else. Earnings per share next quarter is going to be a little bit weaker as well. Net income is weaker. Everything is weaker next quarter, man. If they don't announce the stock split, man, this might be a big flop because the data isn't like showing as good. So the weekly global pay net additional year to date is a little bit weaker than the other years too. And you can kind of see that as well. A programming strategy is to provide members with a wide variety of high quality content that's loved and watched in large numbers. Money Heist, Season 3 of Sex Education, Queen's Gambit, May. I haven't even seen any of these. And then it said there's no better example of this than the Squid Game. Released on September 17th, it's become our biggest TV show ever. A mind-boggling 142 million members. Household globally have chosen to watch the title in the first 4 weeks. That's huge. Yo, apparently this show has been ranked as our #1 program in 94 countries. Holy smokes. They said their movies are also like super successful, such as Sweet Girl, Kissing Booth 3, and this Vivo and Blood Red Sky. I don't know. I wouldn't say they're that successful. Damn, their top 10 films are kind of trash, man. I wouldn't recommend anybody to watch these. I don't know about you guys though. Check out this top 10 film. Let me know if you guys recommend any of these. Where is Squid Game on here? I don't think it's on there yet. I give up, man. I'm just gonna look for Split. Don't watch Bird Box. It's probably one of the worst ever. Yeah, The Irishman, like maybe like 50-50, bro. But Bird Box, man, I remember it was so hype. It was just as hype as Squid Game, but it was like utterly trash. That was pretty much it. I gotta say, not as hype as I wanted to be. We're all a little excited for that Netflix ER. Expect them to blow out the water, but the guidance wasn't there. growth wasn't really there. A lot of decline growth, a lot of like weak guidance. We didn't get that stock split news. I think we're going downtown, like, because I just finished digesting most of that earnings report, and as other people probably finished digesting it, I can't say I'm like super bullish on it, man. Sorry, boys. Sorry, man. I hope I didn't crush anybody's dream here. What's up, Frank D from YouTube side? You guys want us to add some stuff to the chart? I can do that today. I don't know if we'll have the time though. I gotta leave at 5 today because I gotta do something after this. I'll add Netflix if we have time. I'll chart it out. We'll guess some directions and things like that. Let me see what else you guys said. Fiat World says average revenue per membership was stagnant. I see Netflix potentially raising price or introducing app-based membership. That's true. That's not a bad idea. Doing something like Hulu. Um, what's up, Buzzer? I think the subscriber growth that's impressive this quarter. What's our prediction for Roku and Disney? Is it time to go all in Disney or Roku? I mean, Disney is a good price point, around 170. Could be a buying opportunity. Roku is setting reversal to the upside, so maybe, but I'm not sure. It's like the market seems saturated, so it's a little bit tricky. Not gonna lie, this earning was pretty hype. Indeed, it was. Oh yeah, gotta see that. I got you, brother. AVIR. If we have time, I'm gonna check AVIR for you. All right, let's go into. I think Roku could possibly get affected by this. Roku and Netflix used to trade in tandem, but I don't know what happened lately. They decoupled. They don't trade as much anymore. Let's check out IBKR. So IBKR, Interactive Broker Group, trading company, kind of like Robinhood, but internationally, right? And offer a much superior product. They just started adding crypto, which I think could be big for them. Let's see, because there's a lot of boomers use it, and a lot of like international people use it. So Interactive Broker earnings per share 78 cents as opposed to 75 cents. Sales was 464 million. Huge miss here, actually. 464 as opposed to 640 estimate. How they missed that? So EPS, earnings per share, was 47% increase compared to last year. Stock was trading around 50 something dollars. So $50 times 1.47. That puts it around that $73 range right there. Somewhat fairly priced to a certain extent. But sales just didn't do it. Sales is actually a 15% decrease. I don't know what happened there. I'm sure if we dig into it, maybe they spent some money on improving the platform or something like that. But they did just recently add the crypto stuff. I think they add like 4 crypto onto their platform. So I think that's pretty interesting. That could drive some revenue there as well. Long term. Martin Transport also reported today. Let's see. Earnings per share was 26 cents as opposed to 25 cents estimate. Sales of 251 million as opposed to 237. 30% increase compared to last year, 16% increase in sales compared to last year. This is a temperature sensitive truckload carrier in the United States engaged in transporting and distributing food and other consumer packaged goods. Interesting there. Maybe it'll be a buying opportunity, man. Since everybody keep like whining about all this shipping, chokeholds and things like that. What else we got going on today? WD-40 also reported earnings as well. Earnings per share 61 cents. It says it may not compare to Did my stream get